Welcome. If you wanna change default application on your Alcatel One X 2019, let's enter settings. Now we have to move to the apps and notifications, click on the default apps, and for example we can go for the browser, but as you can see currently we have only one browser, so go back to your main screen, enter the Google Play Store, tap on the search, and right now we have to download the browser. In my case it will be the Opera Mini. Click on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open our Opera Mini, but of course we are going to skip this and click on the settings again, go back, enter the browser, and right now you can choose your default application. I will go with the Opera Mini because this browser has the built-in ad block. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.